How to unarchive story on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can unarchive story on Instagram. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Instagram application in a mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Instagram doesn't allow direct unarchiving of stories to appear back in your story feed. However, you can always add them to highlights on your profile. In order to do so, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner and then tap on three-line icon. Here, tap on archive and make sure that you have selected story archive from here. And under story archive, you will be able to find all your stories that you have archived in your account. Now, tap on the specific story that you would like to unarchive. For example, I have this right here. Now, to add it into your highlight, tap on the highlight icon and then create a new highlight or add into your existing highlight to unarchive their story. Or if you want to share the archived stories as a new story, then what you have to do is open up the story in the archive and then tap on share. And you can share or repost this archived story as a new story again. So this is the way to unarchive story on Instagram on Android or iPhone. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.